Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be trying to put a pop of change, a splash of a little bit of difference. If you don't have a big spending budget and you want to make a change to your living room pretty easily, pretty cost effectively, but make a kind of big difference, what we're going to do today is we're going to change out this coffee table here and the rug. So if you have a rug, it's been around for a long time, you're used to seeing it and stuff like that, maybe you want to make a change. In our instance, our dogs track mud through the rug and it's a long-haired rug and stuff like that, so it's hard to clean and stuff, so we went with a different type. I'll show it to you here in a little bit, as well as we beat up this coffee table pretty good. It's time for a new one. So changing out a couple of good things, a couple of high visibility pieces of your furniture without having to actually buy the expensive stuff, like the couches and that kind of thing. So make a pop, see what it looks like. We're gonna rearrange some things as well. The table back here, we're gonna pull this love seat out a little bit and move that table to the back. So this is the before picture. If you see that table back there, we're gonna take all the stuff out, move it behind this. Probably put in that area for right now. You can make it any kind of thing you want. In the winter time, we're going to make it the area for the Christmas tree. So it's a nice area for the Christmas tree. Maybe once we put the Christmas tree, away, we'll put the dog beds back there or something. But that's a good space right there that we'll utilize in the living room as well. Look at the nice new rug. It has lots of color to it. Feels really nice. It's not as fuzzy as that other one, so very nice to my feet. I like how it looks, very bright. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like here. Once we put the coffee table together right there, we'll go ahead and put everything back and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, check this out. After we're done with all the with a couple of pretty good, impactful upgrades, check out the coffee table. Glass top, obviously you don't need to get this exact one, but I'll go ahead and leave it in the description below in case you do want that one. That adds a nice clear ambiance to the room. And as well as check out this rug though. It's very bright and colorful here. It adds a really nice brightness to the room as well. Goes with the pillows and everything like that. And check this out, we moved the coffee table, or we moved that end table like I was telling you about, over here behind this love seat here. So, we have some more room there. We could probably, after the Christmas tree over here, we can probably put this thing here, over here as well. So we've got some options here. This really brightens up the room. A rug, a new coffee table, really changes the aesthetics of your living room. Check that out. Give me a like if you like this kind of thing. Check it out. Give me some comments on what you think. I'll leave a link in the description below to the rug as well. Obviously, this won't fit all living rooms, but we have a light kind of rug, a light kind of beige kind of background here, and it all fits together here. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those things. Really appreciate y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.